Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Dalal Street Week Ahead. First, let us see what happened last week. Last week I said Nifty is likely to trade between 11,200 and 11,800. In fact, it has traded in that range only. It was trading with some positive bias until Friday, and Friday afternoon Kotak Bank and HDFC Bank fell drastically, and at some point the Bank Nifty fell more than 500 points within few minutes, and it fell more than 700 points from intraday high to intraday low. Number one, that was a weekend effect, and number two, there was FTSE rejig, in that they have removed Kotak Bank and HDFC Bank, and because of that, so those index funds had to sell these two stocks. So that was one of the reasons why these two stocks fell, and that triggered a mini panic in markets. And Nifty fell nearly 150 points intraday, and in fact in the last 1 month there were few times Nifty fell more than 150 points intraday. On Friday, even the US markets were very highly volatile due to quadruple witching day. Once in 3 months, the stock index, stock future, index options. So all the four expire on the same day, and in US the people call it as quadruple witching day. Usually that day a lot of volatility will be there. So due to that huge volatility, US markets also fell on Friday. And TikTok was supposed to be banned by Sunday as per US announcement, but since TikTok has made some arrangement in selling the stake, that has been averted. So that may be a good news when the markets open on Monday. For us, the most important thing is the interest on interest case that's coming up in Supreme Court on next Thursday. So banking stocks have been very badly hit, and bank index is down more than 3,000 points in the September month alone. So we have to see the outcome of this Supreme Court ruling. There are some news reports here and there, they're all source-based news, that things may not go against the banks, but we still have to wait and see. Next week is the expiry week, so therefore surely there will be some good amount of volatility, and I still hold my view that Nifty will be trading between 11,200 and 11,800. In fact, in the last 3 weeks, Nifty is absolutely flat, though Bank Nifty has fallen drastically. So we have to see what is going to happen. But my gut feeling says that market is going to make a big move either towards 11.2 or towards 11.8 by the end of this expiry. Economic data, there are not much, so it's going to be all about this TikTok, interest on interest case, and expiry related issues. So let us hope that Nifty will be marching towards 11,800 instead of marching towards 11,200. Thank you for watching.